Dear kids, today we are learn action word. So let's start. Run. Run. Run means भागना. Run means भागना. Run to the tree. Run to the tree. Hop. Hop. Hop means उछलना. Hop means उछलना. A rabbit can hop. A rabbit can hop. Sit. Sit. Sit means बैठना. Sit means बैठना. Sit on the chair. Sit on the chair. Stand. Stand. Stand means खड़े रहना. Stand means खड़े रहना. Stand up please. Stand up please. Eat. Eat. Eat means खाना खाना. Eat means खाना. I eat an apple. I eat an apple. Drink. Drink. Drink means पीना. Drink means पीना. Drink your milk. Drink your milk. Look. Look. Look means देखना. Look means देखना. Look at the bird. Look at the bird. See. See. See means देखना. See means देखना. I see a cat. I see a cat. Play. Play means खेलना. Play means खेलना. We play with toy. We play with toy. Jump. Jump. Jump means कूदना. Jump means कूदना. Jump up high. Jump up high. Walk. Walk. Walk means चलना. Walk means चलना. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. Read. Read. Read means पढ़ना. Read means पढ़ना. Read a book. Read a book. Write. Write. Write means लिखना. Write means लिखना. Write your name. Write your name. Sing. Sing. Sing means गाना. Sing means गाना. Sing a happy song. Sing a happy song. Dance. Dance. Dance means नाचना. Dance means नाचना. Happy kids dance. Happy kids dance. Sleep. Sleep. Sleep means सोना. Sleep means सोना. Go to sleep now. Go to sleep now. Laugh. Laugh. Laugh means हंसना. Laugh means हंसना. We laugh at joke. We laugh at jokes. Cry. Cry. Cry means रोना. Cry means रोना. Do not cry baby. Do not cry baby. Stop. Stop. Stop means रुकना. Stop means रुकना. Stop at the red light. Stop at the red light. Go. Go. Go means जाना. Go means जाना. Go to the school. Go to the school.